How to make yogurt. One liter milk. Milk is placed in a pot on the fire until it boils well. Leave to cool slightly. - 150 grams of yogurt used as yogurt starter. Put the yogurt starter, don't mix it, just gag inside the pot, in separate spots. Incubate for 7 to 9 hours lukewarm. Temperature is paradise for good bacteria. Place the pot in the fridge to cool for a couple of hours. It's ready.
Enjoy it.